Hello, Print Fam. Welcome to the other side. This is where all my kids' toys and crap that we haven't moved into the basement from when we moved here 2 years ago. But today's video, I wanted to show you how I make notepads. I might not do it right. I might not do it the same way you do, but it works for me. So let me show you. So, sorry for the noise. We got the chickens here. So say hello, chickens. Anyway, I have a padding press, which I will link down in the description. We've currently got some pads being glued up. I've got my padding compound, a brush, and the rest of my pads. So these pads, they're 100 pages with a chipboard on the bottom. Again, I'll link this down below. And then I stacked them 10 high, and that's what I'm doing because I need, basically there's 2 up on a page. So I'm gonna cut them in half, hopefully with my stack cutter. I'm crossing my fingers that that'll work. But I need 100 booklets that are 100 pages for 10,000 pages total. And basically I take my compound, put it on my brush. It's better to use a bristle brush, but I don't have one. And I always start from the center and go out, because if I start from the edge and go this way, then you may get too much padding compound on the side, which makes it so it won't rip. You can see on the edges here, see if I can get it to focus, that the glue is starting to dry, but it didn't get all the way. That's not super important because most of the places that it is right where the chipboard is. So we should be fine. We'll let this dry for about an hour. We'll put another quick skim coat on it, and then I can move on to the next one. So pretty simple process. I think the padding press is around $100. The compound is about 20, and then you have chipboard and paper. You can really do this with any size, any quantity. It's really up to you. I've thought about offering it as custom notepad services, but I think it's too much work. They do sell machines where you can, kind of like a perfect binder, where you can drop the stack in and it will do it and be done. But I'm not to that point, and I don't want to focus on notepads, but hey, there's options. So if you have any questions about it or what I do in general, well, we'll say it normally. If you have any questions about what I do, why I do it, how I do it, etc., leave those questions down in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing with friends. I do appreciate the feedback. If you do want to support the channel, you can use those links down in the description. But thank you, as always, just for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Print Fam.